In this quick video, you'll learn how to replace the battery in a Mitsubishi Outlander key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very simple to do. You'll only need a couple simple tools to get it done, and you will also need one CR1620 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries or you'd like to pick one up online anyway, go check out the first link down in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can get these batteries for just a couple bucks. And then the only other things that you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, which we just need something that can remove this small screw in the back. This seems to be the perfect size. So if you don't have something this size, I would recommend this set of precision screwdrivers. I've been using these for years. They're really great, and they are just a few dollars on Amazon. So I will also put a link down in the description for these if you're interested. And if you do end up getting this, we'll also be using this other small precision screwdriver to remove the battery once we're in there. And if you don't end up getting it, that's fine. I'll tell you some alternatives that we can use instead of this. But the whole thing is actually really simple and quick. We're going to start off by just pulling out that screw in the back. So go ahead and untwist it, set it down. Now come up to the bottom of the device and you can see there is a slot right along the seam there. Grab your flathead, insert it in, and just gently twist until you feel the two halves of the device come apart. Now we have access to the battery, and what we're going to need to do is insert a tool into that opening in the corner. You can see right here there's a small opening. I'm going to be using this precision screwdriver to pry the battery out, but if you do not have this, you could use something like a needle or a pin or even a toothpick, just anything that will fit down in here. And so what we're going to do is insert our tool, push down to the bottom, just gently pushing down, and then we pry the battery up and it will come out pretty easily like you just saw. So now go ahead and dispose of your old battery, take your new CR1620, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that the positive side is facing up. So you will slide the battery in and snap it down. You first slide it towards these two plastic tabs that hold it in place, and then push it down on the opposite side. So we're going in and down. Now all we need to do is put this back together. So just line up the two halves of the device, squeeze, grab your screw, and just twist it back in there. There we go. If you want to verify that you did everything correctly, you can press one of these buttons and make sure that this light comes on. If it does, that means you did everything correctly and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments because we love to hear your feedback. And you can also just give me feedback by giving the video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. You can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.